Hi guys, welcome back. We are gonna do the tour of Hyatt Zilara today, and yeah, I had a great time. But don't take my word for it. Let's go. So first we are signing in, and they gave us our room key and showed us around the property. Believe me when I say that's gonna come in handy. So we went to the bellhop, and they were spritzing and sanitizing our stuff, and then we got a little tour of how to reach to our room. Mind you, it is a long walk, and we took the elevator most of the time because yeah, when I tell you it's a long walk, it's a long walk. Like, look at all these hallways. So finally we reached the room, and you see where the seal is still intact. So let's do a quick tour of the room. It's pretty quaint and homely in my estimation. I mean, everything is just piled up in one whole room, but I like the layout. And you have a tablet where you can keep track of all the happenings. The bed was very comfortable, and there's storage space. You won't be staying long, so you don't need a lot. And there's a safe to keep your stuff well safe. And we are moving to the fridge. The fridge is not stocked, even though you see that seal right there. It's a hoax. It was empty, not stocked because of COVID, but you can just order in by the phone and they'll bring your stuff to you. Moving to the bathroom. It's your usual bathroom, your shower. You have a nice shower head right there, and you move to the toilet. Of course, everything has some kind of COVID precaution thing on it to make sure that that it is well clean and sanitized. The bathroom is small, but it's spacious, and it just has everything you need. And all of these things, you can take them if you want, but who needs more sanitizer, right? So we're gonna move out to the balcony. We were on the first floor, where you get a real view of the property. Nothing to see here, but yeah. So of course we had to go exploring. Look at, there's nobody in the hall. So try to find back the food place. We went back to the lobby, but as I said, look at the place. Look how it's scanty. Look how the place is so empty. Of course, they have the little inbound store, and they're selling the little gifts from Jamaica. We just want to know where the food is at. Alright, so catch you back. Finally, we reached Jerk Hut, people. If you go to Ziva or Zilara past Jerk Hut, ask the man for a plate and sit down by the beach and enjoy your jerk food, people. Can't say I didn't tell you. It soon come. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, ho, ho. Yes. Sorry, I forgot to start recording again. We are just walking. We're just walking and exploring, because that amount of jerk chicken we just ate. Jesus. Mwah. So these are the grounds when you're going towards the restaurants. You see how nice it looks? Oh gosh. Like, Ziva Zilara really dropped them hand on the layout. I could watch this all day. Oh, and before I forget, guys, if you're going during COVID, which might be for the rest of the year, remember that they have special times where restaurants are open, so make sure to check the rosters each day when you're staying to see what's happening. So we're going back to the lobby because most places are closed. It's the cafe nearest to the lobby, guys. It sells very, very healthy food, so be warned. Can't say I didn't tell you. Can't say I didn't tell you. Psych, we are on the walk again. We're going to just find something to drink and something to eat because something is wrong. When we go to a hotel, we have to eat down the place. Can I get an amen? Amen. And can I talk about the views? Look at the views. Come on. You missed my talking, don't? So now we're at Sweet Bites. This place looked so inviting. Like, if you have a sweet tooth, come here. You get every single thing. Apparently, it has changed where they're now having everything displayed in this showcase, but you can order anything that you want. So, order away, guys. When you come here, order everything to your heart's content. Phew, I can't believe this is still day one, but we've reached the night time and we decided to go to, where was this? The Continental International, something of the sort, for dinner. And let me show you how the layout is because I came for the design of the place and stayed for the food. If you ever dine at this restaurant, you'll be so happy you did. Alright? I told you. So it didn't stop there. We decided to go to the street food because remember COVID, they kind of have everything in one place. So if you don't mind like a buffet of all possible cuisines, then the street food is for you guys. Alright, welcome to day 2. I think this is day 2. So we are going to the buffet. This is choices. If you're looking for a quick breakfast, quick get and go, then you can come here. I think this is the only place that is open during the morning time. I'm hearing that, there were more pre-COVID, but they're doing the best that they can. So they have a sweet station, they have a vegetable station, they have a Jamaican station, they have a American station, and then they have something else. So you see where you have four for the international station. Yeah, so you see where they have for each per station. Apparently since COVID they had to cut down, but you still have some kind of variety because each station has very different food choices, so you won't really get bored. I am the play it safe girl, so you know I have to go with the egg omelette, hash brown potatoes, and whatever that is over there. I think it was a vegetable wrap, but it was filling. At the end of the day, I was ready to go back to the bar. And of course, with the more exploring that we did, we found a little cute pizza place. But before that, the pool. We have not been to the pool, so we know we had to go to Hyatt, what is this, Ziva? Hyatt Ziva part? No, I think it's, yes, Hyatt Ziva part. Hyatt Ziva part was kind of less crowded, so we set up shop there. Hyatt Zilara part was kind of everybody and the dog was over there, and that section is kind of bigger than Hyatt Ziva, so we decided just to stay here. Of course, the real Jamaicans have to take some of the Appleton at the Appleton tasting. It was strong. Like, don't let it fool you. He'll give you a little sample, but when you don't drink all of them, you are turned. So responsibly, we got some food, and of course, what way to bring in the nice sun hot than with hot pizza and jerk chicken. Whew, I swear we went to that place 10 times for the day. When I reached back to my room, you saw where the amenities were stocked, and the fridge had my beer and soda, and of course water. They turned into night quite quickly, and we found ourselves over at Fusions. Is Fusions? I don't remember these places, but it is the Japanese / Asian cuisine restaurant. But honestly, there was nothing to see there. Morning time, morning guys. We are back at International Clock Tower Plaza, getting ready for kayaking. First time kayaking, first and last. The boat turned over like 3 times and I was a fish out of water, so I learned my lesson and decided to go back to my room, because guess what, it is almost checkout time. Mind you, checkout time gone long time, but it's time to pack up shop and head back to Kingston. I mean, I would give it a solid 4 out of 5 given the COVID restrictions, but yeah, there's stuff that could be improved, and with time and learning the new normal, then I think it would, but I enjoyed my time. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye.